Did you know that with LViS you can put focus on any part of the screen using shapes? For example, we can use a circle to point to the Windows logo, or frame one of the browsers with a box, and a line, which can be used to underline, for example, the recycle bin. In these pieces you can choose the color, and also if you want it to appear with an animation. Or animate them counterclockwise. All this generated automatically from the script of your video. As you have seen, in LViS with the Draw Circle, Draw Box and Draw Line, you can mark the most important regions of your video,